friends. Everybody say hi, Facebook.
Hi, Facebook.
What are we making? We're gonna make some rain clouds, right?
Rain clouds.
Okay, so far all I've done is put water in a glass and fill the top with shaving cream. Here we have blue food coloring and I mixed it with some water. We also have water droppers, correct. Good job. So all my friends, go ahead and pick up your water droppers. Pick up your water. Don't touch anything with your water droppers. Chloe. Chloe. Don't touch anything with your water droppers yet. Take it out. All right, we're going to put our water droppers in our blue water. And we're going to suck up some blue water, okay? No, you guys share that. Are you guys sucking up the blue water? Good job. Once you get it in there, go ahead and drop it on top of your clouds. Keep on doing this process, okay, guys? The more we fill up our clouds, then it's gonna rain in our little cups.
It's raining.
Look, do it again. Do it again.
Can we make one more time?
Do it again. Do it again. Look at yours, Riley. Look underneath. It's starting. Look underneath, Fabio.
I'm showing
Is it going? Do some more.
You want to always do it.
Yeah, we want to keep doing it until it's raining. You want me to help you? Come on. Let me see. That's okay. You just have a really big cloud. You're going to keep trying, okay?
I can't believe I can. I'm so excited. Oh, you almost.
Squeeze it. Now let it go. You got it. Now put it on your cloud.
Exactly.
You put some in there?
I never want to sleep again.
Oh.
It looks like medicine.
All right, friends, we all want to put our water droppers down and look at everybody's clouds. Okay, everybody can get out of their seats and walk around to look at everybody's clouds, okay?
I gotta want one more drop.
Okay, do one more drop. Okay, we'll finish doing some more drops.
I need more. It's not working. I keep doing it.
That's okay, yours looks great.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Look, mine is all blue. I made mine